Meaning of fine-tuning.
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 Fine-tuning. Fine-tuning refers to the process of adjusting or optimizing a pre-trained machine learning model for a specific task or domain. This process involves training the model on a smaller, targeted dataset to improve its performance on that task. The pre-existing knowledge of the model is retained, while its parameters are adjusted to better fit the new task. Fine-tuning can result in significant improvements in accuracy and efficiency for the targeted task, as the model has already learned useful features from the larger, more generalized dataset.